How are you, my friend? This is Chewy, this is with Chewy. I have a Freightliner Cascadia with engine DD15. And here I'm going to show you how you can replace the J-brake solenoid. Okay, and I'm going to show you right here the part number. This is a solenoid assembly. Okay, and I'm telling you how you can replace it. I already started, but I'm gonna do a video. Okay, the first thing I did, you need to remove with the torque screwdriver. We're gonna remove these 4 bolts in the fuel injector. Okay, with the 25. I'm gonna remove this bolt right here, and I can remove this. You can remove this 4 bolt right here with a 25. Okay, and then we need Allen. This is the number 5 to remove here. Very important. We're gonna remove this bolt right here. We're gonna remove this bolt right here. Just loose it all the way up, and this one too right here. Okay. After you do that, you can pick it up this like this, and this is free. After that, we can remove the J-brake solenoid like this. Okay, and I got it right here, and I'm gonna put the new one. Let me tell you, where is it? I have the new one right here, the new one. We're gonna do the same thing. You can put little white grease right here, or oil, engine oil right here in the rubbers, and then you can insert it over there. Okay, you can clean here around, clean there, and put white grease or clean engine oil to insert this solenoid, J-brake solenoid. After everything is clean, just put this one like this, push all the way, and leave it straight in the hole right there to put this bolt right here. Okay, push all the way down, and then we're gonna tie this bolt right here, fuel injector right here, and this one, and the fuel injector. Whatever you took off, you need to tie it again. Don't forget that. Plus this 2 connector from the solenoid. Okay, let's go to the next step. Okay, I'm gonna use this torque wrench to torque the fuel injector's connector, and this way we won't break the bolts. Okay, let me show you right here how we wanna use this tool. Okay, my friend, this is an inch-pound torque, and with this I'm gonna torque the fuel injector harness. Okay, it's good to use this torque because in this way you're not gonna break the bolt or the stud on the fuel injector. Okay, we're gonna give him 12 inch-pound in the fuel injector. Okay, we're gonna tighten it with this tool with the torque 25. We're gonna tighten it. We're gonna put down first the bolt. Make sure you tie this one first. Okay, before do this, you gotta tie this bolt right here. Okay, you gotta tighten it. You put this one in position and then tighten it. I think this is 7 foot-pound. I don't know why this is less, but I do by hand. This is not a big deal. Okay, make sure you put it in the right position, the bolt, to tie this solenoid. Okay, I already tightened this. You give 7 pounds. I do by hand, to be honest. Yeah, I don't tie too much because I know this one won't break. But if you wanna torque, do torque. Okay. Now I already tied the solenoid. Okay. I'm gonna put all the way down this bolt. Okay, all the way down. The back, there are 4 bolts. 4 bolts, my friends. And then I'm gonna torque. It won't go. Look at this torque. After you do, it won't go no more. Okay. Right there. Okay, right there. Right there. This is torque already. Okay, this is torque. 12 foot-pound, and I'm gonna torque this one. I'm gonna put all the way down with the screwdriver just by hand. Don't tie, and then you're gonna torque. Okay. Let's go. I'm gonna put it all the way down. Put it right here. Just little bit. Don't tie. Don't tie too much. Just little bit. You're gonna give a 12 foot-pound. Okay. Okay, after I put it all the way down. Okay, now I'm gonna torque. Remember, this is 12-inch pound. 12-inch pound to tighten, okay? We're gonna tie this bolt. There are 4 bolts in the fuel injector, and we're gonna tighten it to 12-inch pound, okay? Not 12 foot-pound, they're gonna be inch pound, okay? I made a mistake, okay? So let's go tighten it to 12 inch pound, and after that, gonna be good. This one gonna be 12-inch pound too, remember? And then we're gonna tie the solenoid, okay? This is the next, we're gonna do the same thing. I need a 25 torque too. All the way down. Just by hand, just little bit. After you feel it is down, stop, because you're gonna torque it too. That one is all the way down. I'm gonna put this one all the way down, and then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna torque it again. Okay. I'm gonna torque it too. That's good. I'm gonna torque this one too. 12 foot-pound. Very good. Okay, everything's down already. I replaced this solenoid because there was problem with the regen. The DOC never going down the temperature, and this one was affected. It was missing. So I replaced this one, okay? Alright, my friend, if you like this video, please give me a like, share to your friends, subscribe to my channel. Sorry for my English is not too good, but what I want to do is just help you guys, okay? Thank you very much. I hope this video helped in something, okay? Have a great day, my raza. See you, brothers. Bye. Okay, if you want to replace that one too, you're gonna do the same thing. That one in the back. You're gonna do the same thing you did in the front one right here, okay? And maybe I want to replace that one too because my boss wants that I replace it. Okay, I'm gonna replace both the ones. Okay, all right, my friend.